Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay guys, we try to continue our lesson. I will share first our asset. Yeah, okay. Now I will try to teach all of you how to create this smoke. Okay, let's try to create with ellipse tool on Corel Draw. Look like this. Yeah, okay, copy, paste, and just like this. Jadi paste like this. Yeah, after that we can use facility on Corel Draw well. Okay, and then we can fill it, use fountain fill dialog, and take a type radial, look like this. Then okay, let's try again. You can set the edge path. Okay, yeah, let's finish. But I will to teach all of you how to export this smoke. Yeah, okay, file, export. I will teach all of you one type file with PSD format, look like this. Yeah, selected only, export. Remember, transparent background, then okay. But now I will try to export another format, look like maybe PNG. Yeah, PNG. Okay, smoke PNG. Yeah, underscore PNG. Okay, transparent background. Okay, yeah, and try another ones, maybe GIF. Yeah, maybe GIF, smoke GIF. Okay, I will try to show the difference. Yeah, the difference all of this image format. Okay, then I will stop share screen first. I will share flash. Okay, like this, and we take it in file that we create before. Okay, we'll give the example. Yeah, try. Now try to create object. Yeah, please remember, take object drawing. Yeah, we can convert to movie clip and select object, and then press function 8. Yeah, movie clip. Okay, smoke PNG first. Yeah, okay, movie clip, and then double click this. Okay, delete, on frame 1 we can import to stage smoke PNG. Okay, okay, replace. Yeah, this the object, but now I will to try to modify first, maybe more bigger. Okay, on frame number 1. After that we can press function 6 to create another frame. Okay, move it a bit. After that copy. After that paste in place. Yeah, here. Okay, we see the difference. Yeah, use PNG. Okay, try to copy frame. Okay, move a bit on frame number 3. Now we will see the animation. Yeah, frame 1, frame 2, frame 3. Okay, let's try to see. Control enter. Okay, but mau broken ya. There's some place with weight. Okay, let's try another. Use PSD format. Okay, same steps, yeah, same step, and then convert to movie clip. Okay, smoke PSD. Okay, join in. Okay, I am now on smoke PSD animation, not effect for this image. Okay, I will try delete. On frame 1 I will try to import to stage. Choose the smoke PSD. Okay, yeah, this the image, but I will try to transform first. Yeah, I have one frame. Now I will copy this frame, function 6. Yeah, move a bit and then copy, then paste in place. Okay, it's a perfect image. Yeah, 1, 2. Okay, then copy again, press okay, move a bit. We will try to see the moving. Yeah, the moving. Now to scan 1. Okay, let's see. Control min. Okay, let's see the result. Control enter. Yeah, it's smoke PNG create by CorelDRAW. This smoke format PSD create by CorelDRAW, but PSD it's compatible with Flash, and this format created by Corel not compatible with Flash. Okay, let's try to layout. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's correct, but the object top of this body of car, we can move, arrange, send to back. Yeah, send to back. Yeah, okay. Obey this image. Let's try to see the result. Yeah, it's correct. Yeah, be careful how to use format on CorelDRAW. We must use application compatible each other. Okay, that's our lesson today. See you on next lesson. Thank you for watching. See you. Thank you. See you soon, Sobat Riz. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.